Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox slash reveal, more like review for you here. This is my new Gucci, just a small little cute things, and as per usual I got it from my personal shopper. It just arrived and I cannot wait to share it, so let's just open it. This is the receipt. She bought it from the airport in Paris, and here is the goods. Can you guess? So I got myself this Gucci Marmont card holder in red because I love red, and I know I have said many times that I don't want to buy any more SLG, but I'm still looking for that perfect one, the compact wallet for my smaller bags. And you all know that I have my most favorite wallet here, the Chanel coin purse, but I need a pop of color. I know I always justify all my purchases, so it's the Marmont, and I'm still looking for that compact wallet in different style from the CP one. So I got this one because I want to replace my Victorine Wallet here if I already found the perfect one. So meanwhile, this is still with me, and let's get to this wallet. This is the they call it the Gucci Marmont card holder, and the size according to the website is 4.5 inches across, 3.5 inches in height, and the depth is around 1.5 inches. Here is the inside of this wallet. It has 2 card slots here and 3 card slots over here. It says Gucci made in Italy in here. This has the antique gold hardware, so it's very nice, not too flashy. And the button here, it has Gucci embossed, 1, 2 over there. I don't know if my camera can zoom in for you. So anyway, this 1, 2, 3 card slot here. The interior lining is fabric in black, and this has 1 slip pocket over here and 1 zipper pocket over here for coins. And this is the I think the card, authenticity card, and this has the 1 slip pocket for your bills. So I think this looks perfect. For now, I will use it today, and I will update you if I like it or not. But one thing that surprised me is the depth. It's quite thick and it's not filled yet, maybe because of the matelasse pattern here. So it is unavoidable. It's thick, and compared to my Victorine wallet here, it's about the same thickness, I think. And this one is the slimmest. Okay, anyway, that's all for my review today, guys. It's very short, I know, but I cannot say anything more about this wallet because I haven't used it yet. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I will compare this red to my Gucci Marmont bag. So the shade of red is they look a bit different in camera, but in real life they are just the same red. It's just because the lighting from my window. so they look perfect together, right? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.